Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ProofHub workflows for approvals and checklists, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the ProofHub website. Log into your ProofHub account using your credentials. Once logged in, select the project where you want to set up workflows. Locate the Workflows option in the left-hand menu. Click on Workflows to open the Workflows section. In the Workflows section, click on the Add Workflow button. Enter a name for your new workflow. Choose whether you want to create a checklist or an approval workflow. For an approval workflow, define the stages of the approval process. Click the Add Stage button to create each stage. For each stage, name it and specify who is responsible for approvals. For checklist workflows, list the tasks you need to complete. Click Add Task for each item you want on the checklist. After adding all the necessary stages or tasks, review your workflow setup. Make any adjustments as needed. Once satisfied, click the Save button to store your workflow. Your new workflow is now active and can be utilized in your project. To assign the workflow to tasks, navigate back to your project dashboard. Select the task to which you want to apply the workflow. Click the Assign Workflow option in the task settings. Choose your newly created workflow from the drop-down. Finally, save the changes to apply the workflow to the task. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.